Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I have a breaking news to share with you. Yes, take a look at this. I have verified my Rumble account, guys. My Rumble account is verified, 100% verified. As you can see it here. Yes, a lot of people have been facing challenges, especially people from African countries like Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana. They have been facing a lot of problems when they want to verify their Rumble accounts. And this is because if they ask you to put a mobile number to receive a code to continue, people in Africa country put a local mobile number, but they will not send any code. Now, I found a step-by-step how you're gonna get your international number to do this. Yes, it's very easy, okay? In this video, watch it to the end, and you're going to know how I did mine, how I achieved this, okay? Now, after watching this video, if you want to get your international number, I urge you to please go to the description of this video, tap the link there to get the app that will help you to get your international number. Okay, now look at this, guys. As you verify your Rumble account, you stand to benefit so many things. We upload video and use live streaming, make money and cash out your earnings, leave comments on videos, vote for videos and comments. Guys, this is real. Yes, this is very real. You don't need to sleep on this. Watch this video and make sure you watch it to the end, unless you are not interested in this new platform. So go and create your account, learn how to verify it, learn how to get your international number, verify it, start posting your content, start earning. When time to cash out, we're gonna do that. Okay, now follow me to my screen record and let me show you how I was able to achieve this. Let's go. Okay guys, to verify your Rumble account, you need to follow from your browser, okay, not from the Rumble app. Okay, now we are going to go to my Chrome browser. If you have any other browser, you can as well use it, but I'm using Chrome. Okay, when you tap on Chrome, you come to the search button here, you tap Rumble, you send. When you send it, it will open. You tap on the first link here. When you tap on the first link here, it will take you to your Rumble account interface. If you have created your Rumble account, if you have not, it will tell you to create account or sign in if you have. Okay, if you don't know how to create your Rumble account, I uploaded a video a few days ago. Go and watch it. Okay, now when it's open like this, up here by your right upper hand, your profile, you tap on it. When you tap on it, this is my name, Ugoji Gloria, then this is my username, Anatomy Tips. Okay, then you now tap on account settings. When you tap on account settings, you bring it to an interface. This is where you put all your information. Okay, this is where you put all your information. Then you tap, or you look up here by your left upper hand, you will see the three horizontal line. You tap on it. When you tap on it, it take you to another interface where you see verification. Look here, you see it. You tap on verification. Now you see that I have not verified my account yet. Account status is not verified yet. Now I really want to carry you people along. That's why I have not verified my account yet, because I promise, especially my students in my WhatsApp group, that I'm going to teach you guys how to get an international mobile number for your online activity. Okay, it need maybe. Now all I have to do now is go and get my international number. Okay, I minimize and go back. Now look at this app here, Numero. Okay, this is the app you are going to use to get our international mobile number. Now if you don't have this app, go to Play Store and download it. Okay, when you download it, you open it. You open it like this. Once you download it, it will open. Now when you open, this is the interface. But if you are downloading yours for the first time, I have downloaded mine before and have created my account with them. If you are downloading yours before, they will ask you to create your account using your local mobile number. You create it. Once you create your account and it's successful, it will brought you to this interface. Okay, now we are here for phone number, right? You see where they wrote phone number. You tap on it. When you tap on it, it will take you to another interface where you select your offer, what you want from them. Now look here, we have so many offer and so many phone number type. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we are going to select mobile numbers. Okay, for use for calls, SMS and WhatsApp. You tap on it. When you tap on it, it takes you to another interface where you select the country you want to get your mobile number from. Okay, now we are going to select United States. You tap on it. Now at this stage, I know you'll be surprised that it involves money. Of course, it involves money. It's not easy to stay in African country and get a mobile number in different country like this. It's not easy. So you have to pay for it, but not much unless you want to go for yearly subscription. Okay, you scroll down here, look at the offer you are going to go. This one that that is 4.99 euro. Abi, this is euro. Yes, 4.99 euro, almost 5 euro. Okay, now we gonna tap on it. When you tap on it, you tap on continue. When you tap on continue, take it to another interface. Okay, where you it has already given you another option where you click buy. Okay, now they ask you question. Make sure this number here is your real number. This is your local number, you know. Yeah, you will be able to use your purchase number only after verifying your real number. You now click on confirm. Okay, when you click on confirm, it takes you to an interface where you will select your mode of payment. Are you paying with credit card or debit card or Google Play? In my own case, I'm going to use Google Play. Okay, yeah, Google Play, and then ask me to do what? Buy. When you click on buy, it takes you to another interface. Always do online stuff. You'll be familiar with this kind of process. Okay, now my card is already on my Google account, so no need of putting it. But if yours it's not there, they will ask you for your card number and that phone number, that special phone number that is always at the back of the card. Okay, you put it. Be rest assured that this is safe. Okay, nobody's gonna hack your account or take your money. No, this is normal thing we do if you want to buy something online. Yes, so when you click on confirm, it take you, I choose Google Play. Yes, you click on buy. So now I'm going to buy my number. Okay, you click on subscribe. Google Play Store, verify purchase. Say use. It's processing. Guys, if you are going to get an mobile number for just 1 month for your now purchase successfully. Okay guys, when you click on product, this is where it will brought you. Okay, to see your number, say one more step, verify your phone number. Okay, mobile phone number, verify me. Okay, yes, it's me. Enter the code that was sent to you. Okay, activate your account. All right guys, you see the step you are following here. Okay, now go to your product, and click on my phone number. Okay guys, this is your phone number. Pay for it. They will ask you to verify whether this is you. You put your local number is already there. All you have to do is tap on it to verify that it's your number. They will send you a code that will verify. Okay, you come back to the Numero app and tap and go to your product and go to your phone number. Now this is it. You have to copy it down, then go to your Rumble account to do what? Continue. You come back to your Rumble account. When you come back to your Rumble account, you select country. Okay, the country is United States, right? United States. Then you tap on it. You now put your phone number. Okay, make sure you type it very well to avoid any mistake. After putting it, you have to check it very well. Then after that, you click on text me. They're going to send you a message. Okay, you're going to get the 6 digital code from our Rumble account. Okay, we go to notification here and click here. Here is your code. Okay, you go back to your Rumble account. You go back to your Rumble account and put the 6 digit number they sent to you. Okay, type here validate code. Okay, you type and validate code and wait for the answer. Congratulations, the phone number has been verified. Okay, you tap on. Okay, let's see guys, my account is now verified. Okay, see it here, it's verified. Now you can start. If you verify your account, you can now start posting your content. Guys, like I said, create your account, verify it, start posting content, you're automatically monetized. Now that you verify our account, all you have to do is go back home and start posting your video. Okay, you go to your profile. When you go to your profile, you go to account settings. Okay, when you go to account settings, you put your description. Let me say explaining, sorry, close that door, explaining what happens inside your body when you eat, drink, or consume anything. Okay, I can come down here, put in brackets the anatomy, health, and the science. Okay, bracket, this is your bio, this is what description of what you are here to do. Okay, so that when people visit your your page, they will understand who you are and what you are here for. Okay, now this is social media. If you want to put your Facebook link here, fine. Twitter, Instagram. After you are done, you come up down here and click on update. The change has been successfully done. Okay, now that is all guys, that is all. Okay, go and verify your account. Don't tell me I don't know, I'm going to pay to get the mobile number. Yes, of course you are going to pay. You are in African country, you need to pay to get it, and just a 1 month. Okay, you can use it in other social media platform to verify your account or any other place if you need it. Okay, if you don't know what kind of video to create, especially students from my community, from my WhatsApp community. Okay, look at this video.
What if I told you
look at this short video, you are seeing it right now. If you don't know what to create and you want to learn how to create this simple anatomy or video, okay, type the link in the description of this video and join my WhatsApp community.